small I, and the phonic sound of this small I is E. The phonic sound is E. And this is E. So today we are going to read E sound story. We'll read E sound story. And the characters of our story are, this is the boy Inder, this is Inder's younger brother Ivan, and Inder's father, this is small insect. And the story starts. It was a holiday and Inder was at home. Inder's younger brother Ivan was looking at an igloo outside the home. Their father bought a map of India and hanged it on the wall. Inder wanted to fill ink in his pen. The ink pot fell down near the inch tape. The ink pot fell down near the inch tape. Just then, an insect came and walked on the ink. Just then, an insect came and walked on the ink. Inder quickly brought a mop and cleaned all the stains of the ink. So students, whenever you are handling any liquids like ink, milk, water or oil, you have to be extra careful. And if by chance you spill the liquid, it's your duty to clean it, because we should always keep our home neat and tidy. Let's revise the words of E sound in the story once again. First, the name of two boys starts with E. This is E Inder and E Ivan. Ivan was looking at an igloo. Inder's father bought a map of India. Inder wanted to fill ink in his pen. The ink pot fell down near an inch tape. Just then, an insect came and walked on the ink. Now the picture composition of E sound story. It was a holiday and Inder was at home. Her brother Ivan was looking at an igloo outside the house. Their father bought a map of India and hanged it on the wall. Inder wanted to fill ink in the pen. The ink pot fell down near an inch tape. Just then, an insect came and walked on the ink. So this was E sound story, and in this story we have learned one more very interesting concept. Let's see what. Look carefully students. Before igloo we have used this word an, and before inch tape also we have used the word an. Before insect we have used an igloo, an inch tape, an insect. Now what does this an means? This an stands for, an means one. An igloo means one igloo. An inch tape means one inch tape, and an insect means one insect. But we have used a before holiday. We have used a before a map, a holiday. Now why we have used a before map and holiday, and why we have used an before igloo, inch tape and insect? This a also stands for one. A means one. A holiday means one holiday. A map means one map. So why we have used an before igloo, inch tape and insect, and a before holiday and map? Let's understand this a and an concept in detail. Dear students, till now we have done 9 phonic sounds. What are these? First was a, then it was b, k, d, e, f, g, h, and today you have learned a new phonic sound, that is E. This was E. So out of these 9 phonic sounds, there are these 3 sounds, that is a, and E. These three sounds are called vowel sounds. What are these called? Vowel sounds. A, and E. These three are vowel sounds, and rest B, K, D, F, G, H. These are all called consonant sounds. And when we want to say one egg, this egg starts with this vowel sound. So we say an egg. When I want to say one apple, so apple starts with this phonic sound A. So I say an apple. And when I want to say this one igloo, then I say an igloo. But if I want to say one ball, ball. Ball starts with B, so I say a ball. A ball means one ball. When I want to say candle, one candle, then I don't say an candle because this is consonant, so I say a candle. Similarly, if I want to say fan, one fan, then it is a fan. So the words that start with this consonant sound, we use A if I want to say one, and with vowel sounds we use an if I want to say an apple, an egg, an igloo, an inch day. So we can very easily divide our alphabet A to Z into vowels and consonants. How we can do that? It's very simple. Just like your 5 fingers, there are only 5 vowels in English alphabet. 3 you have already learned. Which are those? A, E. And only 2 are left, that is O and A. These 5 are vowels and rest all are consonants. So out of 26 letters of English alphabet, just take out 5 vowels and rest are the consonants. Like you have already learned B, K, D, F, G, H. So these consonants you have already learned, and rest we will learn in the upcoming videos. And these 3 vowels you have already learned, and rest too we will learn in upcoming videos. So remember, when I want to say one egg with vowel sound words, if I want to say one, then I use an, and in consonant sound words, when I want to say one ball, one fan, one hat, then I use this A hat, a cup, a ball, a pen, a pencil. Name all the pictures. Tick right the ones that begin with the given letter sound. Now the letter sound is E, and the pictures are engine, apple, elephant, egg. So E, engine, egg, elephant. This is A, not E. This is A, apple, not E. F, flower, cap, fish, flag. So F, flag, F, fish, F, flower. This is cap. K, G, goose, gun, ball, glass. So G, glass, G, glass, G, goose, G, gun. This is B. H, letter sound is H. Hut, hat, hen, cup. So this is H. Hut, H, hat, H, hen. This is K, cup. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you must have liked E sound story and are excited to watch the next letter sound, that is J sound story. In case you haven't watched my previous videos or previous letter sound stories from A to H, means A to H, then do watch them first. The links of all the stories are shared in the description box. So see you soon with next sound story with more exciting grammar and learning concepts. Till then, bye. Keep doing a writing of alphabet and revising the related vocabulary. Thank you. Bye.